Hashtags, hashtags, hashtags. The thing on everybody's mind when it comes down to Instagram growth. But how do you research them, how do you use them to grow, and more importantly, how do you know if they even work? You will learn the answers of all of these 3 questions in this video, so make sure you stick around. Let's go! But first, a quick word from today's sponsor, the like button. Smashing it enables me to create these videos for you weekly. Back to the topic. Most people actually utilize hashtags the wrong way, picking hashtags based on their size, picking hashtags only based on the keywords inside of them, and simply copying hashtags from others ain't going to work. Raise your hand if you feel called out, as I do know a lot of my audience has been making this mistake, and in this video we are definitely going to be demolishing it. You can't just slap them and expect them to work. So here is the better way. First, research hashtags based on your specific engagement. Second, make sure that the format you are posting is also matching with the format which is mostly seen in that hashtag. And lastly, make sure that the hashtag you are utilizing is still active. And here is how to do exactly that. So now that we are in this setup, let me showcase you how you can research your hashtags manually on the Instagram app. The first step is to search for any keyword relevant to your specific market. For example, marketing. Now you can simply go to the tag sections, which you can see on screen right now, and you can choose any of the tags which are shown to you. Once you do that, the next step is to calculate the average between the likes and the comments of all 9 posts. The way you do that is by combining the likes and comments of these 9 posts and then dividing them by 9. Once you've done that, you have the average engagement of this specific hashtag. Now the next thing you need to do is to repeat it until you have 30 hashtags falling within this pyramid diagram. You need 15 hashtags with a relatively similar engagement to the engagement you have right now. It can be 10% more or 10% less, it doesn't really matter. You need 10 more hashtags which have 30 to 50% more engagement than your posts, and then you want 5 hashtags which have 100 to 200% more engagement on the posts. That way you make sure that you have a balanced hashtag set, which features hashtags which you can easily rank on, hashtags that you can still rank on but there is a chance to fail, and hashtags which you need a viral post to rank on. That way, when you rank on the smaller hashtags, that will help you rank on the medium ones. When you rank on the mediums, that will help you rank on the big hashtags. I know that doing this takes a lot of time. That is why I personally am utilizing FleckTech, a tool which is saving me hours every time I do hashtag research. On top of that, this specific tool also has some pretty cool features. For example, letting you see which hashtags are working for your account and which aren't. That way you can utilize the hashtags which work and you can scrap the hashtags which don't, which is definitely a lifesaver. Link for this tool would be in the description box below. Now that we know how to research them, but how do we actually use them to grow? Well, you need to make 1 to 3 hashtag sets, 30 hashtags each, and then start praying. You probably want to punch me in the face right now.
I can't wait to punch you in the face while you're sleeping tonight.
But you have to understand that hashtags aren't a bulletproof strategy, and they sure as hell aren't the only way you can grow. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. This is just how it is. And just because a hashtag isn't working on your content at this specific moment doesn't mean that there is something wrong with your profile or with your content. You just have to be patient. If you want to maximize your growth not only with hashtags but in general, then click the link in bio and get my book, which will teach you everything I needed to grow from 0 to 130,000 followers in the span of 1 year. Stay brave.